I began my first study session around 10:30 a.m. and I started a new topic in QA and its percentage. And today I learned this concept and do some basic beginner level questions. Then after a break, I resumed my second study session at 2:30 p.m. and I continued with percentage chapter. I have also done some basic easy level questions from it. In the evening, starting from 7 pm, I attempted a sectional test for VRC and it was a good practice session. I didn't get around to solve any DLR sets today, but overall I'm happy and I stayed consistent with QA and VRC.